have a very interesting topic for you. There is a topic who is more stupid than my sister and me. Let's enjoy this video.
How can you say that I am stupid? Because I know you are looking like a stupid girl.
You are looking like a stupid.
How can you say that?
You say I'm say that because you look like a stupid. You always without any reason you will crying.
So there is no matter of stupid because everyone is crying without
No, without reason no one crying, but you will crying. You will always crying, Sana, Sana please come fast, Sana Klimpa. No idea, time is not over, but you always crying, Sana come fast, Sana come fast.
If I will not cry, so you will not come for
I
coaching.
will come.
No,
If I have
you
so
are
much work.
you are busy
I
in
have
eating.
so much work.
You are busy in eating, so you
No, I'm
can't
not
listen to who are calling
eating.
you.
Busy in eating. No, I'm working at my home.
Oh,
Because
when I saw you are only eating, busy
you
on
know,
eating.
Ramzan is going on and so much work I have. You know I have any work.
Oh,
you will
so
always
you can
going
say I am
wandering
free.
on market and
Oh.
always eating unjug foods and always eating always.
So you will give me junk food. You will buy for me. So
No,
why
you
are you
will,
saying?
you will realize that your health is not improved, so you can't eat.
It is my life. I can enjoy with my.
I'm your sister, and you know, sister is very peaceful for thing, and you.
But I don't know who are you. You
You
know
are-
what?
I know you are different, na? You doesn't care my feelings.
Okay, I agree with you. But I some explain. I some words say about you on which angle you look like stupid because when you saw any small insects you will cry just like a
Because
you saw
I am
a frog.
afraid. I am afraid.
You are afraid like a frog. You are very
No, I am afraid that insect who is small. I don't care. That insect.
So the people.
So I am afraid.
Oh, so the people start to. So he said, really she is very stupid girl.
You are stupid. You always saying anything, any person. You that person was thinking, and that girl is so crazy, and there is no mind.
So I think that her person is not good. So he say as like this me. Because
Really?
I don't think I am very different.
I
out
think
of
that you are so different. You don't have mind what type of word you will use in there.
Oh really?
Yes.
So can you please give me some information?
But I am not give you any sister because you doesn't care my feelings and doesn't care my words. So I can't give
Understand your feeling? Who are
you.
you?
You are done.
Who are you? I don't know.
I am your classmates. Classmates.
You are not my classmate because you don't study with me. I don't see
In coaching center, you will classmate with me.
Oh really? Thanks for
And you
telling
know,
me.
you
know what?
भूल जाती है तो क्या भूल
Forget.
जाती है. You will forget. You know, so many friends and teachers also teach here and study here. You doesn't. You forget all the things.
Yes, because I am not coming here for study. I am coming for enjoying.
Why are you enjoying? You will
Because my
going in mall cities and you will enjoy the here is a
You
study
can
is
give-
going on, not
okay,
enjoying.
you can give
okay?
me lots of money. I can go anywhere for
No, I am not give you. I
So why are you saying-
na? I am not.
I don't accept your friendship, but you knowing as say you please.
No one accept my friends. I don't care. I accept my feelings and I feel that she is my friend.
Me.
na.
Excuse me. I don't care about anyone's feelings because it's my life. I can enjoy my life in.
I also not care their feeling. Who was
So
who
far-
was
so-
friendly with me?
So
and
why are you saying
I also
stupid?
care.
So why are you saying me stupid?
You are stupid. It's stupid. You all the things are doing like stupid. So I can see that
You can
are
also
stupid.
doing like stupid. When you are starting laughing, you can't control your
You know,
laughing.
laughing
You
is
can-
better for health.
But not
you
more.
know, blood pressure is high. You know, you will laughing your blood pressure in control.
I know, but more laughing is also dangerous for you, not to you.
I'm
for
not
anyone.
more laughing. I mean minimum. I love minimum laughing.
Oh, you can walk on road. You can also laugh more. And
Because there is a condition of laughing, then I will laugh.
but I don't laugh
Because you are stupid. You don't
No.
think what is there going on.
there is proof that the stupid girl also laughing on the road, on home, anywhere.
There is a funny jokes and funny mans are going on, then I will laugh. There is no
So
matter
you
what.
are, it's matter you are a stupid girl.
I am not. You are stupid. You look like a, but you doesn't care because you are going anywhere in mind.
Excuse me, what you say? Can you please
You will
repeat it?
you will studying. You will doesn't care with doesn't care who are teaching you. You will going in mind anywhere.
Oh, it's my mind is not stay one place.
Yes,
He
I am
want
saying you
here
stupid.
and
You
there.
will here and there.
No.
You will teach. You will studying in coaching center. You will going anywhere in mind.
No, it is the experience. You can it is the experience to thinking any other thing. If you are study, if you are thinking other things, so it is the so that you are intelligent girl, not a stupid girl. And a stupid girl only thinking about his study and laughing and not other things.
You know, you always walking in the road. You teased dogs and dogs chased you always.
Because dogs are my favorite, so I
No,
play
dogs.
that
You know, dogs are very dangerous for all person.
For you are not play, so you can say dog is bad, but dog is my friend, and he know I am the star of coaching, so he follow my rules.
There is no matter you are a star or not a star.
Yes, there
You
is-
are here is a stupid. Okay, you are stupid because you always know any reason. You will saying anything. Not you are saying anything without caring any person.
So it is your problem. It is not my problem because it is my mouth. I can say anything with
You
anyone.
will think na. You will think who is the matter is going on. You will saying anything to what's the matter.
Excuse me. It is depend on my mind what I say, what I don't say, because I enjoy with anyone and I talk anyone within
You know,
English.
in all your friends and teachers in heart, you will always abuse you.
What?
Teachers and friends, your in classmates always abuse because you saying anything, not without reason. You will say anything. In
For your
classmate.
kind information, I don't talk anyone in my classroom, okay?
There
And there is no any friends.
in school, no, in coaching center. You will say anything.
Oh, so I enjoy because I
You know, few hours you will going outside. You will know any reason. You will crying in garden.
So I enjoy. If you are big, you are not.
Because sir is saying keep silent. You not silent. You will crying so much.
Oh, so I am play, but someone is not like, so it is her problem. It is not my problem.
Sir is already
know
say
what?
that no one say something, but you will not you will idiot person, so you would say that.
I am not idiot because I am play and I am not making noise. Okay, I am silently wandering on garden.